Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create Gmail account on your mobile. Don't miss or skip the video. Please watch this video from starting to the end. And I am 100% sure that you can create Gmail account if you watch thoroughly. If you are new for the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, please thumbs up. It is very important for the beginners who do open YouTube channel because Gmail account is must necessary before you create YouTube account. So without any delay. Okay, let's begin. Go to home screen, tap on Google Chrome browser. On the search bar, type create Gmail account. On the bottom, tap on go. Now you can see create a Google account. Tap on it. We go here for step number 1. Tap for myself. You can see here different Gmail accounts which were created earlier. For now, tap on add account to device. Now checking info. Let's be ready to create account. On the left button, you can see create account. Tap on it. Tap on for myself. In this page, you need to think more before entering your name. What kind of YouTube channel you are creating, like it may be gaming, informative or educational, or it can be about food or blog. You can mention the name accordingly. Tap on next. Mention your date of birth and the gender. After completion of information, tap on next. You can choose similar Gmail address given, or you can create your own Gmail address if you don't like. After you create, tap on next. Now you need to create a strong password. If not, it will be rejected and need to try again. Tap on next. First, you need to choose the country. Follow with the phone number. You have two options below, skip and next. Tap on next. To make sure this number is yours, Google will send 6-digit verification code. Tap on send. You will receive 6-digit code. Enter on this page. Tap on verify. On this page, you can tap on yes, I am in. You are now close to create a Gmail account. On the bottom, you can see I agree. Tap on it. Finally, your Gmail account is created, and Google welcome you as you create a new Gmail account. I promise you all guys to meet on the next episode with new and interesting video. Till then, bye bye. Keep smiling and keep sharing. Thank you all for watching this video.